Napaka-mesmerizing ng looks ng modern house na to dito sa Tahanan Village, Parañaque. May 3-car garage. Ang lot area niya 280 square meters. Floor area 325 square meters. May 3-car garage. Merong helper's room, may driver's room, may storage room. At pagpasok mo, ang ganda ng wall dito papunta sa living area and dining area. Open layout. Meron pang ground floor bedroom. Meron siyang total of 5 bedrooms. Panoorin mo yung full house tour nito sa YouTube channel ng Home Search Philippines. Yung price and details nasa description box below the video or nasa comment section. Fully air-conditioned house, as in dito sa ground floor may mga AC sa taas, meron din. Fully fitted kitchen kasama na yung mga kitchen appliances. Ito na nga yung ground floor bedroom na talagang malaki. Pwede mo siyang i-convert sa master bedroom. Meron din siyang own bathroom. Tapos floor to ceiling height cabinet. At syempre pagtahanan village, alam mong high-end subdivision. Call me for viewing na. Follow for more.